Students, I hope by the grace of God, you, your parents, near and dear ones, and all the members of the family are safe and sound during this deadly COVID. This COVID has brought complete destruction, lots of sufferings upon human mankind, and broken down the backbones of economy. Everyone is feeling the impact of this COVID. But as students, we must face it successfully. We must take this challenge positively. As the proverb says, blessing in disguise. Therefore, dear students, the challenges are many, but for students, we can take this challenge and transform them into good opportunities for learning and for innovation. So first of all, today I've come bring to you the four legs of a table. If the legs are strong enough, the table is strong and it can be used in various ways. The first leg is good health. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. This is the rhyme that you learned in nursery, and this is the lesson of life, truth of life. If you want a good health, if you want to be wise, if you want to be rich, you must get up. When you get up, you get ample time. As soon as you get up, you must do exercises. When you do exercises, you gain tremendous immunity power. Corona will never touch you. So this is what we ought to do, and we get a chance to make our health and good health. We can put on good health. Number two comes very important one, devising your study timetable and fixing the target. As you all know, every year you do it. Now this time you get ample time. 24 hours are in your hand, and without you the school looks deserted. There is no life. You miss the school, you miss your friends, you miss your teachers. So too, dear student, we miss you. Therefore, during this time, let us utilize this time fruitfully. If a student studied last year 2 hours, he must double it into 2 times, 4 hours. 3 hours last year, 6 hours. Like that, you must devise and utilize the time. You know, Bill Gates is the living example how to use the time. The person who uses the time wisely, he will be the richest person. There is no doubt about it, and here is a golden opportunity for you. So devise your study timetable, the target, and get the signature of your parents as a token of blessings, and continue to follow it. The third leg is success mantra. Students from 6 to 12 were told how to practice this rumination. At night, lie down on bed, recall all the events, recall what you have studied. This process will really sharpen your mind. Class 10th and 12th were given a survey chart where they would be writing the improvement in form of statistics. Other students can also do that. And number 4th is most important, that is serving your parents with love. Dear students, all these years your parents have been serving. Now the first thing is that you must understand the parents, their pains, their sufferings, their emotions during this COVID. And to be specific, they are unable, struggling to pay the fees. There are many expenditures they have to cope up with, and you know it. The first thing is that try to understand their problems, their sufferings, how the days pass by. And the first thing is what I would like to recommend very strongly. Girls should tell the parents, mother, to get up late, leisurely. You get up early, prepare a cup of tea or coffee, offer to your mother. She would be the happiest person. Her happiness, if we want to compare, you keep 1 lakh rupee one side and a cup of tea prepared by you. She would prefer the later cup of tea, and which is much more than 1 lakh rupee. Now you see this, how much the parents help. Small acts will really bring them happiness and also reduce their burden of this COVID. Girls can do household work, daily chores, cleaning the utensils, washing the clothes, ironing, arranging the room, and above all, telling the Mummy, all these years you have been doing this. Give me a chance, I'll do it. These words of love will really touch them and give them great relief. So also boys, please help the father when they come, wash the vehicle and ask, sit, consult, talk to father. What are the problems he has? He hides all his burdens, problems, only for the reason that you do not know, you should not know. So they are living gods. They are visible gods. They are in the form of gods. It is our duty to worship them, to serve them. And this COVID is a good opportunity. So students, try to help small acts. Talk to them with love. Obey them and show them that you understand them very well. Their pains. You talk to them. Mom and Dad, the day will pass off. I will study hard, work hard. I will get a good future. You will have a good life. You have to console them. And definitely your parents will really feel relieved. So to sum up, dear students, the 4 legs, one is to get up early in the morning, good health, timetable and target, and success mantra, and serving the parents. And you have got champion book. You write small, all the acts of help and get the signature. Parents would be so happy to sign. Now then they will foresee your future also. And above this, Saraswati, who is looking from above, she knows all these things. And she now itself reserves good employment, good status for the future. So dear children, please take this into practice and you see for yourself the results. So till I come up with the next video, this encouragement, this advice will really bring you fruit. Thank you.